Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how that I mat a picture for preparation for a show or to place inside of the gallery. I have a couple of images here and some pre-cut matting that I did, and I just wanted to show you real quick how I do that. So I've got some acid framers tape. You don't want it to be the size of the entire image, but you don't want it to be too small either. You want it to be just about a little more than half the size, and that keeps the paper from binding if you especially live in a humid area where the paper will expand and contract a lot. So I just put a piece of tape on the back of the image, and then I take my pre-cut mat that I already measured and made sure it fit, and I place it on top of the image. And once I get the image in the place that I want, I will drop the mat down on top of the image and the tape, and I'll push it down a little bit just to make sure we get some adhesion. And then I'll pick it up and I'll run my finger across the back just to make sure it is stuck. Then I will grab a piece of foam core and I will place that on the back of the print that I have just matted. I like to face it directing towards me, and I'll take one of these plastic cellophane sleeves or envelopes, and I will put it on the bottom corners of the image. Very carefully, because they tear very easy. And then I'll just slide that up over the image. And that's how it will look. It has a little tab at the top. It has this tab at the top here, and it's got a strip of sticky on the back. You just peel the piece of plastic off. I'm not going to do that right now. And then you just fold this little tab over and it holds it close. You can also put your artist bio and a business card in the back. That way anyone who purchases your artwork will be able to contact you later if they want more artwork or another of the same. I'll show one more just so that you can see how it's done. Alright, here's a new picture. I'm just going to get another piece of tape, about a third of the size of the picture. I'm going to place my tape in the center. Make sure it's stuck down. I'm going to grab my matting that I pre-cut. You can go to a framer's shop to have matting cut for you. Usually they'll do it for you, or you can cut it yourself. I'm a framer, so I do it myself. And just do all the same steps again. Make sure the tape is stuck down. Grab your foam core. Put it behind. Get your plastic sleeve for display. And you can do this for shows, art shows, museums, anywhere that lets you place your prints for sale. And it's kind of in an awkward position so you can see what I'm doing, but you get the idea. And there's the back. Same thing goes for this one. I hope you enjoyed that and have learned something from it today. Please like and subscribe and tap the bell for future content. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.